Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to transfer all data on my iPhone to Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 and provide full guide. Don't skip my video. So this is a very super easy. At first open your app store, go to search option, search set to okay, and make sure to install these apps. I'm already installed this. Press on open in the same way, and the same open these apps in my Galaxy Z Flip 7. Okay, click on to continue, press on allow, okay, and make sure to allow. Okay, now set up. Let's go. Okay, select receive on this phone from iPhone or iPad. Then showing it to QR code. You need to just scan this QR code. Okay, press on join. Okay, now it's scanning. When it's complete 100%. Okay, if you want to customize, then showing it to my contact, calendar, image, video. If you want to deselect, press on transfer. Okay, now it's transferring. Once it complete 100%, then I'll transfer my data from iPhone to Galaxy Z Flip 7. So that's it.